I attract my soul tribe, not by force, not by performance, but by presence, by choosing to be fully seen. I used to shrink, soften my voice, dim my light, edit my truth, just to fit into spaces that were never designed for me. But now, I understand something deeper. Authenticity is not risky. It is magnetic. When I embrace my energy, raw, unfiltered, whole, I become a signal. And those aligned with my frequency, they find me effortlessly. No chasing, no convincing, no losing myself to be received. Because I honor who I am without apology. And in that honor, I create space. Space for real connection. Space for truth to breathe. Space for people who see me and stay. I choose alignment over approval, truth over comfort, wholeness over belonging that costs me myself. My realness, it's not too much. It is exactly enough for the ones meant to find me. I no longer hide, not my voice, not my depth, not my becoming. Because the people meant for me, they don't require my reduction. They recognize me, they value me, they meet me where I truly exist. And so I stand fully expressed, fully aligned, fully me. And in simply being, I attract love. I attract support. I attract belonging. Not because I tried, but because I am. I attract my soul tribe by embracing my authentic energy and showing up as my true self.